costume before Erin does my makeup. And here's her costume. Hi. Wait, where your stockings?
My stockings rolled down, so gotta keep rolling up.
And her makeup is cute. She's about to do mine. Slit throat.
Video of us
Erin's about to do my makeup.
Making our
Slit throat.
tutus. Then so, ooh. I think all this gonna combine in one, but
we're filming at one time. But
I think that's like my skirt pre-op one, but we're trying to figure out which part is the front and which one's the back. The back is longer. Okay, that's the back. We gotta fluff it out some more. And right now, I'm gonna tell you this now. It's gonna feel really weird.
It's gonna feel weird?
Yeah. When everything dries.
Oh, it's gonna feel like
crusty? No, very tight. But you're still moving.
What do you use to get it off? Just water?
Or you can just rip it off.
Oh.
It depends on how sensitive you are.
Sip. Oh, Erin, please don't kill me.
I'm not moving. Yeah. There you go.
Whew, okay.
You think I'm gonna cut you?
Yes.
What'll cut you?
You putting scissors up to my neck. Fake blood. And now we're about to go to the event to help set up the food, and they're playing the Addams Family movie, so we're gonna get all that stuff set up. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I think the contest is going to be after the movie is played, and they should be giving out like little candy bags to everybody who dresses up. Well, this is my costume. And Erin, oh look at her, the Mad Hatter.
And face mountain. My leg socks keep rolling down.
Here they are.
We got the same black shoes, just so you know.
Alright.
The Mad Hatter is ready. Purple.
Oh yeah, they are. Bye. See you at the event. Okay, we're on the way.
I look really cute though.
See, I told you
Wolverine
it's
hair.
cute.
I did my hair literally today.
Outfit. Well, wait, let's get it cute.
Off brand at Walmart. I don't know, off brand of what? Matching shoes.
Matching shoes.
We doing best spring teams. Not things, teams.
Hold on, let's pause for a thumbnail. Got it.
That's like, I got makeup on my teeth. Do I still have makeup on my teeth?
No.
I had some, I took it
I
off.
should have put on some red lipstick.
Or some lip gloss.
Some lip, yeah, I got some lip gloss, but I feel like some red lipstick would made it.
I'm trying to hide myself.
Don't hide, it's cute. Ah! She's so dramatic.
Run. Maybe
crossing the street.
Maybe kill you.
I'm already dead. How he gonna kill me?
I said
Oh, re-kill.
Like zombies.
Yeah.
Retarded. I really do. I'm embarrassed.
Because it's not Halloween and we just walking around campus.
Well, it is October. It's spooky season.
Walking around campus with these costumes
At this
on.
point in 2019, we just keep getting weirder and weirder. So at this point, keep your comments to yourself. Doesn't think about it. I don't care what people say about me. I'm gonna call my mama.
All right. Well, we'll see you at the Stimler Theater. So we're getting ready to set up for the event. And look at her costume. Isn't she cute? You're a fox. What's your name?
Foxy the fox.
Foxy the fox.
I like that.
Can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Make some noise for me.
Yeah!
Thanks everybody for coming. Are you shooting this?
Yes.
Well then I might do something funny. Alright, I came as a Canadian. Does everybody get that? Yeah. Okay. Dan won this. Alright. So anyway, there's going to be a little costume contest here momentarily. And no, I can't dance till I'm dead. I can't even dance 15 to 20 seconds and I'll be dead. All right, listen, I don't know where Bree went, but I think her zipper had a blowout issue right before she stepped up here. Okay. Anyway, thanks a lot for everybody.
I'm Mel, and I'm Marissa Tiger for Nora.
All right. No. Come on, good sir. Hey. Uh-oh.
Name and who you're dressed as.
I'm Brandon. I'm dressed as Spider-Man.
I'm Shelly, and I'm casual Harry Potter.
Hey. Woo.
I'm Pristiny, and I'm dressed as a maid.
Thank you, Pristiny. Okay, now when
Hello,
you asked
everyone.
everybody received an index card and a golf pencil, right? Everybody has it? What I want you to do is write down your top 2 favorite, in no particular order, your top 2 favorites of the costumes, okay? And we will take those up during the movie. Mad Hatter? Tiger from Torquemada? Yes. Okay, Spider-Man, Casual Harry, and a slain maid? A dead maid. All right? Tell me your top 2. Just say your name and who you're dressed as.
I'm Lauren, and I'm dressed as Venom Spider-Gwen.
I'm Brandon and I'm dressed as Spider-Man.
I'm Belle, and I'm Tiger from Toradora. I'm Shelly, and I'm Harry Potter. I'm Erin, and I'm the Mad Hatter.
I'm Pristiny and I'm a dead maid.
All right. Make some noise.
candy and take a burrito with you.
I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared?